Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm excited to film this video because if you watch a few vlogs back, I'll link it up high, but it's like, I think I titled it I'm So Mad. It's all about a Craigslist deal gone bad. And let me start off by saying I've loved Craigslist, I've loved Marketplace, and I feel like they were such good sites and such easy ways to sell for so long. But now it's not. People are not reliable. People are not safe anymore. It's just a different time and place in the world. And how I used to make money was, you know, selling my clothes and home decor on there. And just lately it has become a headache and it's just not worth it. And you guys saw that in that video. And all of you guys were so nice and had such nice things to say, and you started telling me about these online apps that you could list your stuff and ship it. And I'm like, that seems like a really cool idea. So I started looking into them, and it was funny, by the time I was like searching those, two companies reached out. And I want to thank Mercari for teaming up with me on this video, and I chose them because it seemed like they were set up more for like home decor. I do sell clothes, but you guys know I do like the capsule wardrobe thing, so I don't buy a ton of clothes and I don't get rid of a ton. Now I will occasionally, but my home decor is stuff that I just flat go through. I buy it at Ross, TJ Maxx, garage sales, I make some, I find good deals on clearance, but I get sick of it really easy, or I want to change my theme. Like right now I've been slowly getting rid of a ton of farmhouse stuff, and it makes me sick that I gave it to people on Craigslist that were hateful and not nice. Versus selling it to you guys. So I wanted to open up my own little like closet or store, or however you would say it, through Mercari, so you guys can start shopping my things and I can start letting you guys have it. So be sure to click the link down below and that'll take you to it. And if you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and click on that link as well and sign up, and let me know if you guys have a store on there or closet. And if you haven't, go ahead, sign it up, and then send me your name. And I want to follow you guys because I love buying stuff used. I hate paying full price. I rather buy it from you guys, and we all can just like interchange our clothes and home decor. So be sure to leave that down in the comment section. I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm selling, and I'm sure by the time that this video goes up I'll have added more. So I want to start with my home decor. So a lot of you guys have noticed I have a thing for number 3s. This is really big. Let me see. It's 16 by 24, so it's this huge number 3 sign. And you guys always ask why I have so many 3s in my house. It's like my favorite number. I like the way it looks. We're a family of 3, and then for some reason I always have 3 girls in my house. So I always have Savannah, and then I have 2 nieces, so when they come it makes 3. And then we have 2 little girls in the neighborhood that are at my house almost every night. So every time I look around, like, I buy things in 3 because there's always 3 girls here. So I've had this, I've used it, I just had it leaning against my kitchen wall on my shelves that I had in there by my dining room table for a while. But I'm just trying to get rid of the black, and you guys will see a theme. I'm slowly, you know, taking out my farmhouse and adding in a little more glam. I still want touches of the rustic because I am here in Oklahoma, but I have some letters. So I have an A that I'll put on there, and it's just tin, and it has a little hook. I have an S, and I'll sell these individually because I know you guys won't need like a set of an A, S, and C if you have an S in your name. There's a C. So I guess if you guys caught on, they were originally in my guest bathroom, and it was Chase, Savvy, and then the A was for Ashley. But I've taken those down. I'm going to be selling my sparkly Toms, but I just don't wear them, and I recently went shopping and bought a few, 2 pairs of shoes, so you know what I do, it's the one in, one out. So these are the ones that are leaving, and they are Toms. Let's see if I can get it to focus. They're Toms, and they are 6.5s. I feel like they're a smidge tight on me. I don't know if it's because it's this sequin material, so I'd say they kind of fit like a 6. I mean, I am a 6.5 and I wore them, but they were a tad bit snug, but maybe if you have a narrow foot you'll be fine. But those will be going on there. And then I have some shirts. I'm going to go ahead and show them, like hold them up, but I'll probably try some of them on and like add a little box at the screen so you can see how they fit. This is the first black top, and it's got these cute like little bell sleeves. And this is what I wore, I'm pretty sure, in my 10,000 giveaway. So if you want to see it on, if I don't do a link, and also in my Instagram pic of the 10,000, when I hit that, that's what I'm wearing. This is what I wore during my beauty room tour. So if you want to see that, check it out. And it's just a nice like silky material. And then it has a zipper, and that is adjustable. So if you want to show some cleavage, it goes down and wear a cute little bandeau, or you can zip it up higher. And I love this. It's nice and flowy, and it's very forgiving of your stomach. I try to buy things like loose and flowy. I have this, and I have styled this so many different ways. I think it's so cute. Like I said, I'll try to show a picture, but it's cute with a little cami underneath, with like jeans and heels. It's cute with shorts. This would be even like a really cute, I think, bathing suit cover up if you need like a really nice one. It's one of those that I'm like, I love it, but I've got to start. I've bought a few new shirts, so it's the one in, one out. You guys have seen these before in some of my videos I bought. This is Loft size medium, and I like that it's like, I feel like it's a built-in necklace. So I don't have to put on a necklace that day. I can throw this on with a pair of jeans and just some sandals or something, and I feel like I'm dressed and put together. And it's a really soft like t-shirt, sweatshirt type of material, but it's very comfortable. This is a lot like the same style shirt. It's not Loft though. And I think I wore this in my favorite cleaning products video. So if you guys want to see it, it's got all these cute little beads on there. The cute little cuff sleeve. It's like a blue denim looking, and it's very soft. And once again, it's like kind of flowy. I don't wear anything like tight against me. I have this workout top I'm gonna throw on there. It's just really cute. Black and gray. Sorry guys, I don't think I have any color. If I can find some color in my closet, I'll throw it in there. But I stick with neutrals. I do the whole neutral thing because I can mix and match. So the whole purpose of the capsule wardrobe is that I can pick out like any top, any jacket, and any pair of jeans or pants, and it all goes together. And so I'll go into that into another video. You guys keep asking. I also have some jeans, and these are like distressed. You can kind of see, and they're tighter ankles at the bottom. And then I've got another pair of jeans. These are Express. I don't even remember buying them. And I don't think I ever wore them, or they weren't worn. Sometimes me and my sister switch out clothes, and like we'll give each other a bag and be like, here, I don't want this bag. I bet that's where they came from, but they're like a dark denim. They look brand new, Express jeans. I'll have all the descriptions linked on the actual page, but these are a skinny mid-rise 6R. But like I said, they're like brand new if you're needing a pair of Express jeans. And then I'm gonna post some rustic cuffs on there. These are the bracelets that I always wear. Now these are my daughter's. She's had so many, we're kind of clearing out, and I'm gonna sell them in sets. I'll try to go through mine before this goes up live. So if you guys wanna buy some of my cuffs, because I probably have too many. So here's the first set. I'm gonna sell 3. So there's this purple one. There's this pink one. And then like this white silver one. So that'll be one set listed, and it comes with the bag. And then the next set is this like orange peachy giraffe, and it hooks on. And then this is called Periwinkle, and it's a little bit sparklier. It looks like the other one on camera, but it picks up a little bit more colors, kind of like the rainbows. It's a really pretty one. And then the last set is purple. So it's like a very soft violet purple color. And then it's gonna come with the purple sparkly bracelet. So now I'm going to take you in and kind of show you how to do the app, and I'm going to show you how you can like sign up for it, how you can log in. It's super easy. Like on the app, you can literally just like take a picture, post it, fill out your information, and it's so easy and so simple. So let me show you how to do that. So you can go to my description box to download this app for free, and there's all different ways to search. You can click woman and then click whatever category you want, like tops, dresses, blouses, or you can actually type it in the search bar and search Louis Vuittons or Lululemon, whatever you're needing. And then when you want to sell something, you just click down there on the little sell icon, and you're going to add a picture and then fill in the form. And I was filming this for you guys so that you could see how to do it and see how easy it was. That was the only thing in my store, and it was only on there a couple hours and it was gone. So I think this service is going to be awesome. It's going to sell fast. It's not even like you guys were following me. It wasn't, nobody knows about it. My family doesn't even know yet, and that's how quick it sold. So I think this is going to be really awesome. You guys can see me typing in the title and then the description right here, and so it's always smart to add as many details as possible. I didn't right here just because I was on camera. And then you'll go to the next line, which are tags, and you can use things that describe your item, so when people are searching, they are able to find your item. The next option was category, and it already had it set up for me. So now it's going to be brand, and this didn't have a brand. It was Hobby Lobby, and that wasn't an option. And then you get to pick condition. So this was like new, and then ships from, and then who's going to pay. I always choose to pay because I think it looks better with free shipping, and I just add the shipping back into the price. So I would have listed these for cheaper if the other person was going to pay it, but I think things sell better when you pay for it, so I did that. And then I listed these for $16, and I hit list, and there it is. It's done. It took less than 5 minutes, and like I said, it sold within 2 hours, and I had nothing else on the site. Okay guys, so it's that simple, it's that easy. So like I said before, if you already have an account on there, let me know your name. If not, go click on the link down below in my description box, sign up and let me know so we can start following each other, because I'd love to shop your closets, and you guys are welcome to shop my closet and mainly my house, because I'm going to always put home decor on there. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!